In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from syncing everything automatically. Managing your digital storage efficiently is crucial, and today, we'll streamline your OneDrive so it only keeps what you truly need. Let's begin by opening the OneDrive app. If you're using a desktop or laptop, you'll find the OneDrive icon in your system tray, or you can search for it in your list of applications. Once you've located OneDrive, click to open it. This is your gateway to managing your OneDrive settings, including those automatic sync options that we're tackling today. Next, let's navigate to the settings within the OneDrive interface. Look for the settings option, sometimes represented by a gear icon, or it could simply say Settings. Depending on your version of the app, you might need to click on your profile picture or name to find this option. Clicking on it will open a new window where you can adjust a variety of preferences related to your OneDrive account. Once you're in the Settings menu, your next destination is the Sync and Backup section. This is where OneDrive gathers all the tools you need to manage what's being synced and backed up from your devices to the cloud. It's a crucial stop for us in this journey to decluttering your OneDrive space. In the Sync and Backup area, you're going to see a couple of options that we need to adjust. First, look for the option labeled Save Photos and Videos from Devices. By default, OneDrive is set to save every photo and video you take on connected devices. While this feature can be handy, it can also fill your cloud storage quickly with unwanted files. Toggle this option off to stop the automatic upload of your media. Similarly, you'll see an option for saving screenshots you capture directly to OneDrive. If you're like me and take a lot of screenshots for work or personal use, this feature can quickly become overwhelming. Go ahead and turn this off as well. Now, let's take control of the broader backup settings. Find and click on Manage Backup. Here, OneDrive might be set to automatically back up folders like your desktop, documents, and pictures. While backing up these folders can be a lifesaver in some situations, not everyone wants or needs every single file from these folders in the cloud. In this section, you'll have the option to turn off the backup for each of these folders individually. Simply toggle off the backup for any folder you prefer not to automatically sync to OneDrive. Remember, turning off these automatic backups doesn't mean you can't manually back up important files to OneDrive. It just means you're choosing what gets saved and what doesn't. This is a powerful step towards managing your digital storage effectively. Before we wrap up, remember that any changes you make in these settings might take a moment to reflect across all your devices, so be patient. It's also a good idea to periodically review these settings along with the files you have in OneDrive. Your needs might change over time, and staying on top of these settings will help ensure your cloud storage works for you, not against you. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to stop OneDrive from syncing everything automatically. By following these simple steps, you'll have more control over your cloud storage, ensuring that only the files you want to back up are taking up that valuable space.